Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I thought I would use my Cricut Explore Air 2 for the first time here on YouTube to make a project utilizing Dollar Tree products. So let's get started. here is my final project, and I have to say I think it turned out quite well. As you can see, and you probably guessed halfway through, it is a lighted address box. It is made with all Dollar Tree products except for the stencil kind of design on the front that I designed myself, and I made with my Cricut Explore Air 2, my brand new machine that I won in a giveaway on Facebook. And I want to thank my new friend Ashley, who is the Thrifty Chica here, because it was her Facebook group that I wanted in. And I also want to thank Cricut again for getting it to me so fast. That machine I am in love with. It is easy to set up. It is very easy to work the Cricut Design Space where you can make your own designs like I did for this one, or there's hundreds of designs that they already have that you can choose from to use with the machine. It does have a little bit of a learning curve, at least for me, on transferring the vinyl that I used to do the front of this project onto the actual project. I struggled with that for just a minute, but now I think I have it down pat. There are two things on this project that I did that were not on film. Unfortunately, my camera shut off. So quickly, at the bottom, I have an extra piece of that bamboo skewer that I cut up to do the sides, because the plastic that we put at the bottom to help this piece sit up and not blow away in the wind, it showed, and I did not like that. My OCD was a little crazy. Even though this is going in a garden bed and you would never see it, I knew it was there. So I just put a little extra piece of wood across the front of that. Also, in the top, in the back, all the way around, you could see the chopping mat that I used for the body of this glued to the top of the frame. I didn't care for that at all, so I was going to paint it, but then I realized I had leftover vinyl from the front project, and I covered it all the way around with the leftover vinyl, and it worked out perfectly. Now, like I said, you can make this whole thing with Dollar Tree products only, even the front design. Dollar Tree carries wonderful stencils, and to make the rectangular box, you could just take a Sharpie and draw it out with a ruler to make it nice and straight and make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. You could have 3 lines instead of the 2 that I have. You could just make it your own. Dollar Tree also has stickers, so you can put the number stickers on there like I have, or else you can print out this design and put it underneath the chopping mat. You can see right through it and trace it out with a Sharpie, and then trace out whatever letters you want directly on the chopping mat, and that will work as well. The solar lights in there, I have 3, and one of them is not lit very well. They're upside down just because we were in the house, but I will be taking the stakes and putting them in the ground, and then putting the lights through the box into the stakes. That will secure this down and it won't blow away in the wind. And I'm also going to be putting pebbles or rocks in there to keep it sturdy so it won't go anywhere as well, because we have wild thunderstorms and stuff here in Michigan. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, if I forgot anything, feel free to leave those down in the comment section down below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.